start, you want to locate this plastic cover and pop it off using a trim tool. Next, unplug the bulb from the connector here, set that aside, and then with a 10mm, remove all 3 nuts that hold this on. Try not to drop any of these nuts, because if you do, it's going to be, well, let's just say a challenge to get them back. Okay, last one, which is behind the connector. It's hard to see. There we go. That's all 3. Remove this piece off the back. Make sure you don't drop it. You can just set it right here for now. And now you can remove your taillight and replace it. Put your taillight back in through the outside here, and then this little cup here is what locks it onto the back. So line up the bolt holes. There we go. Just going to connect the connector because it seems like it wants to connect right now. That's fine. Start in the nuts, snug them up, and let's snug them up with the ratchet. You don't have to go crazy tight on these because they are small and they can easily break. All right, now let's get this cover back here. There you go.